Can you imagine our kids who love pasta and great pasta sauces being in the middle of an amusement park that's all about Italian food?
Forget the kids, that sounds like an amazing place for us. Actually, it's perfect for the whole family, so let's take a look.
There's more to this amusement park than meets the eye. Right next door to the water slides, rides, and games, there's a lot of Italian fun and food going on in Tipton, Pennsylvania. And it all began with two people who put the amore into both their amusement park and their premium pasta sauces, now known as La Famiglia Delgrosso.
My great-grandmother came from Italy in 1911. Within a few years, she was serving her special recipe for pasta sauce in Altoona, Pennsylvania, to hungry railroaders and their families. And her husband, my grandfather Ferdinand Delgrosso, Murph and Fred, as they were known, started their own cafe. And in that cafe, they had the best spaghetti dinner in town, using Mariana's original pasta sauce recipe.
The connection of the pasta sauce and the amusement park always intrigues people. How did it happen? Most people always think that we had a spaghetti sauce business and my father just decided to buy an amusement park. And it's complete opposite, where my father started with a small amusement park. My grandmother and mother were starting, making the sauce in the kitchen, and just so happened that he decided he was going to take this sauce and commercially sell it.
In 1947, the first cans of Delgrosso sauce rolled off the line. When I say off the line, everything was done by hand. The family was all involved. They even had to seal cans by hand.
As kids, we grew up having both entities in the same place. We grew up in a house that was, the sauce making was literally 50 feet from the back of our house.
I've been at the park for 64 years. I'm 78, so I was 14 when I really started to work. We always worked hard. We had to.
We all work together. We help each other. And I think that's why we've been successful.
We love Delgrosso because it's a family-friendly atmosphere. The water park is fantastic, and I especially love the food.
Since most sauces are made with tomato paste, it's got a smooth, rich flavor, and that's what Americans have become used to. La Famiglia Delgrosso uses whole-peeled imported Italian plum tomatoes. It gives it a light freshness that you can only really get in a gourmet restaurant. Starting with my grandmother and my family members now, use fresh ingredients when they make our sauces, including fresh onions, fresh garlic.
My dad, there were so many things that as kids that he taught us. Number one was quality.
La Famiglia Delgrosso came along in 2006, which represents the very special recipes that we create for our own family occasions, and now we're serving it to everybody else. La Famiglia Delgrosso really represents pasta sauce with personality. So you have this history of this family that eats together, works together, we argue together, and all of those traditions come together in these different sauces through the personalities and the stories we tell, whether they be at the amusement park, in our family celebrations.
The fact that we still have an amusement park, still operate it, own it, still want to be the best, and at the same time, we now have this spaghetti sauce operation, which is actually a lot bigger than the amusement park side. But again, we value both because that's our legacy.
Authentic pasta sauce is all made with loving family traditions. Pasta night becomes a lot more fun whenever it starts with La Famiglia Delgrosso. Honey, we keep adding to our list of family vacations.
Okay, agreed. Now, what are you up to on your next Foodquest show? That's what I want to know.
Well, we're going to be in Florida for Wonderful Wings, one flavor for every day of the year. In fact, then we're crossing the country to visit Napa Cellars Wine in California's Napa Valley. Plus, we're going to walk the streets of Nantucket to explore the taste sensations from morning till night. We're going to get all the olive love from Lindsay Olive's recipes and new products, and we're going to hit the road to Rhode Island for Daniele Foods prosciutto. Lopez family always has fun no matter where we go, and we always love to take you with us. We're going to see you next time right here on Foodquest.